Keep it a secret, but go tell a friend.
Well, it's off the 211 McKinnon cross at the 181 McKinnon, and the 211 was the world record of that spring thing.
This is Dan Fleeser. He said he grew this with Mark's Mixes. I have my own fertilizer, just a little plug here. He grew this with Mark's Mixes. It's a possible state record. What is the state record currently? 132 is the current state record. This is a possible new state record. Fingers crossed. Come on, Dan the man.
You think it is?
All right, yeah! 146!
New state record.
New state record for Dan Fleeser. Attaboy. All right, that's what it estimated at on the OTT estimate charts, and it weighed. Grown with Mark's Mix.
No shame.
All right, no shame whatsoever. Good products. Come to worldwidegiantgrowers.com and get Mark's Mixes and all your seeds. Talk to you soon, and don't you grow no ugly pumpkin.
Don't you grow no ugly pumpkin!